In the darkest recesses of despair, where hope seemed but a fading memory, I found a spark that ignited a fire, a burning desire to rise above the turmoil. I was on the brink of ending it all when I stumbled upon the key to a life of abundance, a life of success. From the ashes of my final suicide attempt, I built a 7-figure business empire. And today, I stand before you, a testament to the power of perseverance and the potential of the human spirit. My journey wasn't a walk in the park. I faced trials, tribulations, and countless failures. But every setback was a setup for a comeback. Each failure a stepping stone to success. And the result? A foolproof money-making system that has not only transformed my life, but also the lives of hundreds of my students who have generated multiple 6-figure incomes. But this isn't just about my story. It's about the system that was born from my struggle, the system that can change your life as it did mine and countless others. An automated system that generates money with minimal effort. A system that has generated over $2 million online. And for a limited time, I'm offering this system to you for free. Yes, you heard it right, free, along with free traffic to boost your online presence. But that's not all. You'll also get over $4,000 worth of pure money-making bonuses. All you have to do is say yes, and the system is yours. So, what makes this system unique? It's not just a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool, a guide, a mentor that takes you by the hand and leads you on the path to online success. It's a system that eradicates your fears and doubts about making money online and fills your bank account with real money. But remember, this offer won't last forever. Time is of the essence. The opportunity to transform your life is here, right now. Don't let it slip away. Click on the green button below and embark on a journey to financial freedom. Thank you for your time, and I can't wait to see you succeed with the Rapid Profit Machine system. Your journey to success begins now. Your future awaits.